Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get your Commonwealth Seniors Health Card. First you need to create some online accounts. You need to create a MyGov account and you need to create a Centrelink account and link both of these to get Centrelink payments and services. Then of course you need to go ahead and approve your identity. You can either do this online, over the phone, or in person at a service center. They will also need some supporting documents for this, for example your tax file number, some of these financials, and you need to provide your relationships. What is your partner's details, including citizenship, income details, separation details. And if you've lived outside of Australia, some of your residence details, for example, your visa information, the date you and your partner became Australian citizens, and the dates you and your partner lived in other countries. And also employment or work, where you need to tell them about any income you're paid from for work, a small business, or any other income such as rent from an investment property. They might also ask you for some supplementary documents and information depending on the circumstance. And you have to send this to them within 14 days or they will reject your claim. Okay? You can also submit your supporting documents on, Centrelink, right? You can go ahead and do that. And then you just have to wait for the reply. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.